Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video on the easiest drum fill to learn. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you're playing the drums, obviously keeping a beat and quote-unquote staying in the pocket is going to be quite important, but incorporating drum fills is what's going to make your beats and your drumming sound even better. It sort of allows you to add some flair to your drumming. So the easiest drum fill ever is super easy to learn, okay? Now, I think this is the easiest one to learn. I think it's the easiest one ever. So this is exactly how it goes. And like I said, it's the easiest one ever. It's super easy to learn. You can learn this in a matter of minutes. So basically, you're going to incorporate 4 hits on each of your drums. And a typical setup is going to look like this. It's going to have a snare drum along with 3 toms. That's generally like a standard setup for the most part, at least in my honest opinion. So you're going to get 4 hits on your snare, 4 hits on each of the toms. Okay, very, very simple. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And you're going to basically do that. And when you bring it together, it's going to, without counting, I'll do it, but without counting, it's going to sound and look like this. Just like that. And obviously you can do it faster, but match up to whatever beat it is that you're playing. So I'm going to play a simple beat and I'll incorporate that drum fill. 4 hits on each of those, the snare drum and the 3 toms. And this is what it's going to sound like. Alright, so that is basically how to play the drum fill. It is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ones ever to learn and to play, and it's very universal. You can basically incorporate that drum fill into almost any beat, and it seems to work really, really well. Yeah, so that's basically it. There's really nothing else that I have to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but yeah, I've got nothing else to say, so with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.